The Bosch refrigerator aircode E2 indicates a fault with a freezer sensor. And common causes include a faulty compressor or a faulty freezer sensor. To fix this issue, the compressor should be checked. Replacing the compressor involves turning off and unplugging the fridge, removing all food, and pulling the refrigerator away from the wall. The back panel must be removed, and the power cable, relay, capacitor, and overload protector must be disconnected. The refrigerant should then be used to inject nitrogen into the manifold at 50 psi, and the manifold valve should be removed. The discharge and suction tubes should be cut, and the compressor, along with its filter, should be removed using a soldering torch. A new filter should be attached, and the new compressor installed, with all tubes and the cooling system reconnected. Electronic components should be reinstalled, and the fridge plugged back in. Alternatively, the freezer sensor should be inspected for faults, using a multimeter to test for continuity. If the sensor is faulty, it should be replaced with a new one, thus resolving the aircode E2 issue.